Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss this example. Okay, we are going to discuss this given series is convergent or not. So first of all, I will write the given series. Okay. So what is n here? N, that means inside the summation. Okay, whatever we have, that is our n. So therefore our n is 10n plus 1 upon n plus 1 n plus 2. See, to discuss the convergence of this series, I am going to use limit comparison test. For limit comparison test, we need to have one more series. So I am going to consider one more series. We call it as Bn. So which series we have to consider? Normally we observe the given series and according to that we consider a series. So I am considering here a series summation 1 upon n square. Okay, so we should take a series whose convergence we can easily find. So its convergence we can easily find since it is a p type series, n raised to p. So 1 upon n raised to p. So this is a p series, so we can easily find. After that, what we do in case of limit comparison test, we find, okay, see, I'm going to consider that thing. We find limit n tends to infinity n upon bn. This is a very important step. So in each example of limit comparison test, we find its ratio, we find its limit, and whatever the answer we get, according to that, we say the series is convergence or divergence. So let us put the values. Okay, I'm going to put the values. N, what is my n? This one, 10n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, n plus 2. This is my n. So let us divide it by bn. Divided by bn. What is our bn? 1 upon n square. So what will happen? This n square is in denominator of denominator. It will shift to the numerator. So this is equal to, I will write here, limit n tends to infinity, n square will shift to the numerator, 10n plus 1. Simultaneously, what will I do? I will take a product in denominator. So that means you will have n square plus n plus 2. So this is equal to, here also I will take a product, limit n tends to infinity. Yeah, tell me what will I get if I take a product? If I multiply each term of this bracket by n square, you will have 10n cube plus n square divided by, here I will take product n square into n cube, n square 2n square plus n square 3n square and plus 2n. Do you know how to solve this limit? Yeah, it's very simple. We have a polynomial of degree 3 in numerator, polynomial of degree 3 in denominator. So I will divide numerator and denominator by n cube. Okay, so this is equal to limit n tends to infinity 10n cube plus n square divided by n cube. In denominator also I will do the same, n cube plus 3n square plus 2n divided by n cube. If I divide separately, tell me what will I get if you divide separately? So that means n cube upon n cube will get cancelled. 10 plus n square by n cube, n square cancel, 1 by n. If you divide separately, n cube cancel, n square will get cancelled, 3 by n cancel, 2 by n square. So if you apply the limit 1 upon infinity, you know that it is 0. So therefore we will have 10 plus 0, 1 plus, here also you will have 0, here also you will have 0. So when you have n or any term of n in denominator, you will have 0. So the answer is 10. Okay, so what I want to say, it's a positive number we have got, okay, value of, so I will mention. So therefore limit, okay, n tends to infinity, what we were calculating, n upon bn, and its value we have got 10, which is a positive real number. So now I will show you what is limit comparison test. Okay, I'm showing you limit comparison test. This is a limit comparison test. We have two series. Okay, we calculate this value, limit n tends to infinity n upon bn. So see, either you will have a positive real number or 0 or infinity. According to that we conclude. So here in this example we have got a positive real number. So that means we have to follow the case number 1. What case number 1 says? Here, when you get a positive real number, both series converge or diverge together. That means either both of them are convergent or both of them are divergent. Okay. But what is our Bn here? Here, what is our series Bn? summation n running from 1 to infinity bn, which is equal to limit 1 upon n square is a p series, getting, with p is equal to 2. P series 1 upon n raised to p is a p series with p is equal to 2. So see, when you have a p is equal to 2, that means p greater than 1. When you have p greater than 1, then p series is convergent. So therefore summation bn is a convergent series. Then by limit comparison test we can write summation n is also convergent series. By limit comparison test, summation n, that is, what is summation n? That is summation given series, okay, 10n plus 1 upon n plus 1 n plus 2 is convergent series. Okay, in this way we have completed this example. Thank you.